Hi, my name is Sage, and this is day 6 of me building a farm. And today is December 7, 2019. Alright, so here. So, so this is day 6, right? We got some growth going on. So I'm gonna zoom in the camera. I'm holding it sideways because that's the only way I can do to show you that there's growth going on. So yeah, so there's growth, but this side we don't have anything yet. That one takes the longest to grow. So yeah, so we got 2 fast crops, and then when we got one slow one. All right, so there's 24 crops, 24 crops, 3 different kinds of crops, and it's 24 each. But I don't think all of them are gonna grow. But it looks over here. I'm probably getting 20 out of 24, so that's still a lot. So I think there's some seeds that's just a dud. There's nothing we can do about it. But 20 out of 24, that's still a pretty good number. So yeah. All right. So the soil that's in the starter kit is the Miracle Grow seed starting potting mix. All right. Okay, so it's really spongy. So for 6 days, that's watering. For 6 days, that watering this starter kit. It seems like all the water is still here. So when I poke the soil, it's full of water. So we're still gonna water this, but not as much. Let's just water it the same way that we always do. All right, so this video that I'm making, if you like farming and space, you should definitely check out Surviving Mars and Shortest Trip to Earth. But this video, remember, is December 7, 2019. I'm not sure what Surviving Mars year that it showed up, but it's still pretty new in this day. And Shortest Trip to Earth, it's still new. It was released this year. So keep that in mind when you're watching this video. Alright, so I watered everything. So I think this is like a greenhouse, but you know, a really small version of this. So I gotta put the lid on it. So I think the reason why the soil is full of water is because of the lid. Well, yeah. All right. So again, my name is Sage, and you're watching me trying to make a farm, and this is day 6. And I'll see you later. Bye.